What's up guys, Untitled Studios here, and today we have another vacuum unboxing. We have one where I've already cut the tape that secures the top of the box, so we'll be ready to get into this. This is the Bissell PowerLifter Swivel Liftoff Pet, not to be confused with the standard PowerLifter Swivel Pet, which you can see right here. So the Liftoff Pet I actually got because, well, I had seen one for quite a while. I was very interested in testing it out and trying it, but I felt the $200 price tag was just a little out of my price range to at least try. Now, obviously, it's not the biggest deal because if you feel like it's not worth the price, you can always take it back, but I kind of put it off for a while. But I was at a different Walmart from what my normal one is, the same one where I also got the Hoover Air Steerable for $119, and they had this machine on sale for $139. If I can find this machine on Walmart's website for $139, I will list it in the description below. But if you're watching this video for the unboxing and the disassembly tutorial, I will do that real quick, so that way I can waste no more of your time. So, opening the top of the box, we can see, if we fold these bits down, this is model 2920. And we can see the carton contents. So it comes with the vacuum base, the wand and hose, the PET turbo eraser tool, the crevice tool dusting brush combo, which looks identical to the one that came with the air steerable I just unboxed, and the user's guide. So unfortunately, it looks like this comes with one of those combo tools. We have our user's manual and a product registration card. We have the aforementioned combination dusting brush and crevice tool. This actually feels a lot closer to the Dirt Devil one that I tried on the Dirt Devil Razor Pet, which is not good. We have an extra filter. This is a Febreze filter, so that's very nice. If this is anything like the other swivel that I just unboxed, then this is a Febreze filter, and the one that's in the machine is probably an unscented filter. So you have the option of either using both filters and having always one in the machine while the other one's being washed, or you have the option to choose between unscented and Febreze filters out of the box without having to buy anything extra. So that's very nice. And of course I just grabbed the turbo eraser tool, or the PET turbo eraser, so basically just a turbo brush with an anti-tangle feature, basically mimicking what the main vacuum has. So now looking at what's in the box, kind of going at this blind, so I'm just kind of grabbing some stuff. Here's the handle, a little bit funky, trying to get that out, so we'll set that aside. Here we have the hose, set that aside. And here we have our power head. Set this down here. And we will undo this plastic. It's not taped up, it's just kind of bunched up. So we'll go ahead and pull out this power head. Of course, the plastic's getting wrapped around everything. And here is our lovely power head. I've never had one of these higher end Bissells. It's a very large brush, triple action. So this doesn't have exactly the same anti-tangle features as the pet hair eraser, but it is a very large diameter brush roll, so it should be a little bit more resistant to hair tangles. It's kind of hard to turn for some reason. I hope that's not an issue. Interesting. We have some instructions right there. Now we've got some more cardboard to remove. Unlike the Hoover I just unboxed, Bissell used actual cardboard instead of styrofoam, which is greatly preferable. And now here's the main machine. We're going to grab the handle right here and pull it out with the cord. And that is that. That's all that's in the box. So we're going to pull the plastic off of this, which is being a little difficult. There we go. Of course, this vacuum has a lot of like little bits and stuff for the plastic to get caught on. So you gotta kind of push it down below all that and pick it up and pull off the plastic, just like that. So this is the lift-off pod. This is very simple. Turn the power head around. It's these two little bits right here. Line this up. Hold it like this. And, yep, it just goes right on. And you heard that click. And this button right here. Press this. Oh, it's underneath. Okay. Press this button to lift it off. You might have to do it with two hands. But yeah. Power button on and off, and brush roll on and off. Pretty self-explanatory. Reminds me of the razor. We do have a bit of play in the machine, so it wiggles a little bit. So now we're going to grab a wand and pull the plastic off with the handle facing forward. We're going to put this in. Oh, that went in pretty easily. Gonna move this little tag out of the way. So that went in pretty easily. And we're gonna grab the hose and pull this out. Move that out of the way. And we're going to put this in here. It's keyed a certain way, so we can tell that now that went in. And we're just gonna twist this clockwise and it locks right into place. Pretty simple. And this, actually, never mind, I did that wrong. It goes in this, oh wait, no, I think that, no, that was right. So then this end goes in like this and twists down. So that sticks out a good bit. And now this goes in. Yeah, so, and again, that goes clockwise. And then this clips right here. That keeps the hose out of the way. This sticks out. What is up with Bissell and hoses that like stick out so far that you can't put the machine against the wall? Anyways, two attachment pegs right here. Pretty self-explanatory which tools go on which. Combination tool goes, actually, no. Combination tool goes on this post right here. Clips right on. Actually, it clips on very nicely. And then finally, the turbo eraser tool pops off like that. And that goes on this peg right here. So that's actually nice. You got an onboard turbo brush. Very handy. And finally, the cord wraps around both these cord hooks. And the upper cord hook is windable, twistable, I should say. This bottom cord hook actually, at first, to me, looked like it was swivelable. But it's not. It is keyed in place. So don't try to twist this thinking you can pull this cord off. It looks like it can, but it doesn't. This one's very stiff. This one pivots just fine, just like every other vacuum in this price range. You can swivel this down, pull off the entire cord, and swivel it back up to start winding the cord again. So, that's nice. I believe the cord on this is a little bit longer than the swivel as well. The swivel, I think, has a 25-foot cord. This one, I believe, has a 30-foot cord. But don't quote me on that. I will fact check that and verify that. And I will be doing a full review on both of these machines, particularly this one. I did already do a review on this one a few years ago, but this one is obviously brand new to the channel. So we got a bit of a higher end Bissell here. So I'll be doing plenty of testing on this machine, and I'll be doing a full review in anywhere from like maybe 2 weeks to a month, just depending on how eager I am to get the review done. I will be using this machine and testing it out thoroughly, along with the Hoover that I just got, and we'll be seeing how well both of them work. This one in particular is a little bit more interesting since it is a much newer and generally more expensive machine. So anyways, this was Untitled Studios signing out with the unboxing and assembly tutorial of the Bissell PowerLifter Swivel Lift-Off Pet. That's definitely a mouthful of a name, isn't it? This is Untitled Studios, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.